Listen, there's a truth nobody told you early enough. You cannot heal in the same room that hurt you. Not because healing is impossible, but because the room refuses to change. For years you blamed yourself for not getting better. You told yourself you just needed more discipline, more patience, more strength, more forgiveness. But the reality is simple. You were trying to grow in poisoned soil. And poisoned soil does not care how good the seed is. You stayed around people who only remembered the weakest version of you. People who brought up your past mistakes like it was your identity. People who laughed at your goals because they secretly feared your progress. You stayed around routines that drained you, habits that suffocated you, and environments that whispered failure into your ears. And the worst part, you thought you deserved it. But there's a moment in every person's life when staying becomes more painful than leaving. A moment when you stop making excuses and start telling the truth. A moment when you look at your surroundings and realize you were not trapped by walls. You are trapped by familiarity. And familiarity is the most comfortable prison ever built. Healing requires distance. Distance from the people who broke you. Distance from the habits that kept you small. Distance from the version of you that settled. This is why the strongest decision a man can ever make is to walk away not as an escape, but as a declaration. I am not dying here. You see, the room that hurt you has a memory. It remembers your failures. It remembers your insecurities. It remembers your lowest moments. And every time you try to rise, that same room pulls you back with a voice that says, "Who do you think you are?" Leaving is not running away. Leaving is choosing yourself. When you step away from the chaos, your mind finally has space to breathe. Your heart finally has room to rebuild. And your spirit finally gets quiet enough to hear what it's been trying to tell you for years. You were never the problem. The environment was. Healing is not loud. It's not dramatic. It's not explosive. Healing is subtle. It's the small, silent decisions you make every day. It's the distance you create without announcing it. It's the boundaries you set without apologizing. It's the people you stop giving second chances to. It's the habits you replace one day at a time. It's the voice in your head that slowly shifts from "I can't" to "I must." But it all begins with stepping out of the room. And the beautiful part is this: the version of you waiting on the other side is not asking for perfection. He's only asking for freedom. He wants the space to become who he was meant to be, without being reminded of who he used to be. The moment you leave that toxic environment, your life doesn't magically become easy, but it finally becomes possible. A seed grows when you move it from darkness into light. A man grows when he removes himself from the places that celebrate his weakness and walks into the spaces that demand his greatness. You cannot heal in the same room that hurt you, but the moment you walk out, even if you're scared, even if you're trembling, you start the journey of becoming someone new, someone stronger, someone wiser, someone whole. And when you finally look back, you won't recognize the version of you who once believed that staying was your only option. Remember this: your healing doesn't begin with forgiveness. It begins with departure.